Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we are going to discuss about the list group. You have the button group. Similarly, you have the list group. What are the classes available in the list group or while working on the list group? So let's get started. Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome to lecture number 18. Today we are going to discuss about the list group. So in the last lecture we have discussed about the accordions and now it's time to discuss about the new things. I'm going to copy the whole code so you can easily get the code. This one, and now I'm creating a new row. Wait for a few seconds, please. I'm going to comment this bad boy. Now, here I'm saying I have a div, and now I'm saying I have a div with class row, and also I have a div class call shell. Now I'm saying I have a UL, which is the unordered list, and now I am defining a class. We are working on the list group, so that's why list group. And now I have to define the LIs for this particular list. Let's suppose I'm saying my item. Fine. I'm going to I'm going to use some classes here. Like I'm saying list group item. This is a class for the item. I'm saying I have many list groups. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's working fine. I'm going to add the margin top, refresh the page. As you can see, now it's showing you the list group. So why it's showing you the 100%? Because we are using the 12 column. Let's suppose, fine, it's showing us this one. Let's suppose if I'm using the fourth one, we'll discuss about the data grid in our later lectures, but for now this is simple a div. That's it. Okay, so you have this one. We have some other classes, like how can you active a particular item. Let's suppose I'm saying I want to active this one, so I have to use the active class. So fine, it's now active. So this item is now active. You can also use the disable property or the disable class. Okay, now I'm using the disable class. So now as you can see, this item is now disabled. So disabled is enable. You can also use some other kind of classes. Like if you want to use the links, so how can you use a particular link? Okay, let's suppose if you want to use some links in your list group, so how can you do that? So I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. Now I'm going from the scratch. I'm saying this is the div and close. And now here I'm saying list group. So this is the list group, and here I have to say that this is the link href link here. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's just showing you a simple link, but you have to define some classes in your link section. Like I'm saying list group item, and also list group item action, and also I'm saying this is the active. Few links, remove this one, go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you are showing you the links inside your list group. Okay, so in this way, if you click on this one, it's not going to anywhere. Let's suppose copy and paste this here, and now go to the page, refresh the page, click on this one. As you can see, it's redirecting you to the particular link which you have just added here. Okay, now so this is the one you have used active. Let's suppose if I'm saying this is the disable, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's now showing you the disabled. It's up to you. So this is the list group for your anchor. Let's suppose if you want to add the button. So how can you do that? I'm going to copy the whole code, sorry, commenting this one, and now I'm starting from the scratch. Okay, now I'm saying this is also a list group, and here I have to define the button. The type is the button, and also I need some extra classes like list group items first of all, and then list group item action. So list group item actions, and this is the active class. You always use a single active class to active a particular item at a time. Okay, go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have to use the item here.
Here's a result from the web.
Item here, and this is the item here. So refresh, as you can see now it's working fine. So you have three ways, by using the UL, by using a div for your anchor and for your buttons. You also have the flush. Let's suppose if I'm saying that list group flush, so go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, if you want to remove the corner, as you can see, you are using the border radius here. So if you want to remove this one, just use the list group flush. So now as you can see, you have a flat list group. You can also create the horizontal. Let's suppose I'm saying this is a class and I have to use a single class list group horizontal. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's showing you as a horizontally. Because it's a fourth one, I'm saying 6, so it's fine. If I'm saying 12, as you can see, it's now working fine. It's up to you which class you are going to use. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to I'm not going to use the list group here. I'm going to copy this one so you can easily get the code. I am removing this one. Okay, now I'm also removing this active class for now. What happens if you want to add some colors for your elements? Like I'm saying, wait for a few seconds, I'm saying list group colors, list group item, and this is primary. So as you can see, it's showing you the primary. If you use list group item secondary, warning, or something like that, let's suppose warning, it will give you the yellow one. If you are using the same class here for danger, and here for success. For success, it will give you the green and something like that. So you can also use this one. You can also use the badges or some other kind of stuff here, if you go to the list group. Where is the list group? This is the list group. And now here, as you can see, we have discussed all this stuff. So here, as you can see, if you want to use the badges, so how can you use that one? So list group, same item. So here, as you can see, item, and you have to use the badges here. That's it. So custom content, you can also use the custom content like this. Checkboxes, you can also use the checkboxes and the radio buttons in your list group. Okay guys, so this is the concept, or these are the classes available while working on the list group. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for watching.